Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will talk about what is citation and what is reference and what is the main difference between citation and reference. Let me talk about citation first. Uh, Both citation and references basically they're equally important and essential in research writing. But when we talked about the citation, basically a citation is a brief mention of a source within the main text of your research paper. It gives credit to the original author when you quote, phrase, or use their ideas. For example, when we are talking about APA format, like for example, if we say that core dot nickel oxide nanoparticle exhibit photo enhance photocatalytic activity, so it means this is an information which is very important. So this information or the source from where we have got, we will write the author's name, say Smith et al. 2023, or in the second format we can talk about IEEE format, which is also known as Vancouver style of writing the citations. And we can write, for example, the degradation efficiency increased by 30%. Now when I'm writing this one, so it means this, I am citing it over here. Similarly, just like as I have written Smith et al. With year, that is 2023. So this pattern of writing is when we are actually referring to the one of the important information with reference to some authors or the or the or its with reference to its source. So that is basically a citation. Then let me talk about the types of citations which we comes across during the research work. So we can write the reference in parenthetical citations, like for example, as I have said in APA Harvard styles of writing, we can write the author's name. If we have the more than two authors, then we write author et al with its year of publication for that particular publications. And the second style of writing, that is known as numbered citations, in which we can write one and two, mean this is reference number one, this is reference number two, in square brackets, and that style is known as IEEE Vancouver style of citing some of the source. And the third type of citation is also that exists, that is footnote citations. That is, mean we write the numbers in superscript, and that is also known as, which is also referred or known as Chicago or the Arabian style of citing the source. Now let me talk about what the reference is. Basically, a reference provides the full details of the cited source so the reader can locate it. References are listed in the bibliography or the reference section at the end of any paper. And when we talked about the APA format style, we can write the complete reference in this way, like if they are the two authors, so that is J. Smith, we write like this, and this the second author's names with the year, and then we write the title of that paper, and then the name of the journal, along with this is a volume number, and in parenthetical style, we can write the two, which is known as issue of that volume, and then, of course, at the end, we write the page number. from page number 123 to 135. And if we write the same reference in IEEE or Vancouver style, then we write the author's names and then the title of the research papers, and here we write the abbreviation of the journals, and then we write for volume 45, and then like issue number, that is 2, and then page number, that's 123 to 135, and in this style we write the years at the end. So this is basically what kind of the reference styles or the citation style which we are adopting. That complete bibliography depends on that particular format. So the key difference between citation and the reference is, if I conclude that whole discussions, citation, that exists inside the text. But when I talked about the reference, that exists at the end of the document. And what is the purpose of the citation and references? That the purpose of citation is briefly acknowledge the source. When we talked about the purpose of the reference, that provides the full details of the details for readers to find the source and what format. Either that could be in parenthetical or the number or even in the footnote. So basically, that is either with the author and year styles, or we write the number, and that number could be in square bracket or even superscript, as we have discussed earlier. And then format would be that the full journal or the book details. That format exists for the references. Another very important are at the end, if I conclude the whole discussions, we can say why are citation and references important. Now, that is the four key characteristics are the important thing which we can discuss over here. That is that helps us to avoid the plagiarism, that gives credit to the original authors, add credibility to the research, and helps reader to verify the information. Thank you very much for watching, and then at the end, references and acknowledgement and the sources which we have used for this presentation. Thank you very much.